What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about how to start an automated affiliate marketing business in 2025. If you've never made money online before, don't know about affiliate marketing or automation, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you everything you need to get started today. But before we get started, I want to go ahead and invite you to go ahead and get the digital playbook. You see it on the screen, and you can get it in the first link in the description. It will show you exactly what it takes to start earning money with AI. So let's go ahead and get into the topic for today. Now, as you can see right here, this is the digital playbook. And first thing that I'm going to want you guys to do is just go ahead and click start here, watch the YouTube video, and it's going to give you a step-by-step beginner friendly about what this is and what all we have in it. So if you go over here to get started, it gives you a 6-step quick guide of what you do to need to get started. Over here are going to be a lot of the prompts that I use to generate my AI army. Right here is a list of 130 plus AI tools that you can get paid to promote short form content videos that you can post on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts that are already done for you. So let's go ahead and go back over to the get started and start with step 1. And that is going to be to grab your 14-day free trial of Go High Level. Now, I talk about this a lot. Go High Level is basically an all-in-one marketing software that allows you to create websites, funnels, send emails. And one of my favorite tools or things about this is it allows you to schedule out your content. So all you need to do, just go ahead and get the 14-day free trial. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. But if you're wanting to run any type of marketing business, you're going to need a CRM, which is a customer relationship management platform. And High Level is one of the top ones, in my opinion. So once you download that, you can join a kickoff call where I can help you set this up. Or if you're like me, if you want to do it by yourself, free course right here that has about 20 to 37-minute videos that walks you through how to do everything step by step. So once you log in, you're going to look at a screen that looks like this. This is going to be your account. And over here on the left-hand side, we're going to be talking about 3 main things. That's going to be marketing. That's where the schedule is. Automations. That's where we build out sequences for emails. And then sites. That is what your funnel is going to be. So if we hop back over here to the digital playbook, you can see step 4 is import snapshot. Now, luckily for you guys, what a snapshot is, it allows you to import everything that I'm using directly into your guys' account. So for example, all these funnels right here, you guys are going to be able to get all these automations, email automations, affiliate automations, you guys are going to be able to get. And everything that I use as far as tags, funnels, pipelines, you guys are going to be able to get. So once you click right here, boom, you're going to import that, and it is going to take you to a place where it allows you to create an account. If you don't already have one, just create an account. But if not, all this stuff will already be imported. Now, everything will be imported. Now, as you can see right here, it says step 5, you can start using short form content to post. We're going to come back to that, and we're going to go back into here, and we are going to work on the back end part of the affiliate marketing business. And that is going to be with your email sequences. So I would go in here, go to email automations, and let's just go with the sample email automation right here. So what we have set up is anytime a contact is created or anytime someone puts in their first name or email, they will get put into this automation. Boom. Right here, they get put into this, and then they get sent a bunch of emails. Now, I'm not going to go through what all these are. You can obviously look in here, but essentially what I'm giving away is a free checklist. And this is just making sure they get into it, give them a little bit of information. But other than that, pretty self-explanatory, besides one thing. Now, if we're doing affiliate marketing, let's say you see this right here. You're going to want this to be a custom value. And how we get to a custom value is we're just going to go back to settings, go to custom values right here, and then you're going to create new custom value. So let's say affiliate marketing. I know I'm typing it wrong. Right here, paste, that's going to the value. That's where your affiliate link is going to be. Now, if you want to, depending on what you want to promote, just pick a tool. Pretty much all these tools on here, you are able to sign up and get paid to promote them. And for the most part, let's just take Go High Level for an example. Most of these tools, if we scroll down to the very bottom, they will have an area that says affiliate program. And all you got to do is sign up and become an affiliate. And then you'll get a link that looks like this. This is Go High Levels, at least my Go High Level affiliate link. Then we will go back to boom, paste value and paste, boom. Now I'm not going to do that because I already have one, and boom, that is my affiliate link. So we got the backend set up. Now let's go to the front end, and that is going to be your funnel. Let's go over here to sites. Let's just go to snapshot funnel, or this one's just another one, elementary funnel. So this is just the basic funnel that you guys are going to be able to get. Right here, just a header. It could be whatever service or product that you're promoting. And then right here is going to be a long form video. I like to say between 10 to 12 minutes about whatever that tool or product is, because a lot of your traffic is going to be coming from the short form content that you're posting on other social media platforms, which doesn't give a lot of insight about what it is. It's just supposed to pique their interest for them to take that next step and, put in their information. So right here, you show them, describe it, and then right here is just a button that's not connected that will have a pop-up that allows them to put in their first name, email address. And then once they do, contact is created, and then they automatically get sent into that email automation that I talked about earlier. So we got the funnel created, we have the automation. Now we need to schedule out some content, or we need to schedule out some content. So right here, this is the social planner. This is where you would connect your social media accounts. So you can connect, really just do the main three: YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Mainly focus on Instagram and Facebook. So once we connect those, you're going to want to go to the digital playbook and then go to the short form content tab. And you're going to want to download all of these. Now, don't just download these and then directly upload them. Maybe download them, bring them in the CapCut, and then add an overlay or something like that. And then voila, you have them uploaded into the social planner. But I'm going to show you what I do. So how I create my short form content is I go to a tool like Replicate. And if you don't know what this is, everything is going to be in the digital playbook. I'm always going to keep referencing back to this, but this is the checklist. If you go through everything by the checklist, you will be able to have that affiliate marketing automation system set up. And right now we're going to be talking about setting up your avatar. Replicate, this is a YouTube video that shows you how to get it set up. I'm not going to go through that because that's a 19-minute video, super quick. So Replicate, I am able to create an AI clone of myself. So I'm going to go ahead and type every time I type Mike, that is the trigger word for Replicate. I trained Replicate with 20 images of my face. So every time I type that word, it's going to generate something that looks like me. Now, sometimes the face doesn't look right, but look at that. This is a picture of me, but so what I like to do, I did a very, very simple prompt. But if we go over here to ChatGPT, I have an image prompt optimization where it gives me very detailed responses. So all I'll do is I type, let's just say Mike sitting in a mansion. And what it'll do is it'll give me some detailed prompts about whatever I typed in, because, with AI, just as much detailed as you can get, the better. So you see this pretty good. Doesn't really, whatever. No, I'm almost going to guarantee you this next picture is going to be amazing. Look at that. I didn't even read that. So wide shot mic lounging in a grand dining room. I'm about to download that. Elegant table set of meals. Okay. Like beautiful, beautiful. So what I would do is I did this in long form, but I would just, let's go to 9 by 16. I'm pretty sure that's like Instagram rank. And I'll just, let's go back over here to images. Mike painting a house. We'll do a medium shot of me painting a house. Let's go back over here to replicate. So what I would do is I'm about to show you guys a final clip of this, but I would go to ChatGPT, type in a different clips about myself. I would get about 5 to 10, and then I would download those clips and take them into something called Gen 3. And what Gen 3 does is it turns images into videos. So normally it doesn't take this long. Cancel. It's probably because I'm recording. Let's go ahead and try to run it again. There we go. Alrighty, so I would take this image right here, and then I would go into Runway Gen 3, and I would click Asset, and I would upload it, boom, boom, upload the image, and then I would hit Generate. Now, I'm not gonna hit Generate because I ran out of all my credits for this month already, but once you do, it creates a 5-second video that looks like this. It's not obviously not that image right there, but you get the point. And so what I do is I download this I download this 5-second video, and then I go into CapCut right here. And then as you can see down here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images that I put together. I have an audio of myself of a script that I used that I built through ChatGPT. And then I just have, some spooky noises down here that I downloaded from 11 Labs. And then this is the final output. These websites helped my AI clone from thousands. ShineifyBots.com is a free AI viral video tool that's giving away $25,000 to a few people who are using their tool this month. DigitalPlaybook.com is a free AI checklist of over 130 AI tools that pay you to promote them for free. Respond with yes, and I'll send you the link. So as you can see, this is what the final product looks like. And then I would take this and then I would upload it to the social planner. And then people are going to start commenting, and then I'm going to send them to my opt-in page. And it is just a consistent cycle that you got to do to build that email list and to build that audience to gain trust. Before we finish, just want to wrap up here. Get the digital playbook and go through the checklist step by step. This has taken forever to make, and it will help you guys so much. The process is easy, but getting started and doing the things that you need to do, now that's the hard part. So I hope I gave you guys some value. Hope you stayed to the end to watch it, but that is it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next video.